What's up, y'all? Wait for the white balance here. All right, got that there haircut. Looking sassy. All right, so got another project. We're actually at Jesse's house. The old lady's away, so let's go work at his house.
We really wanted to void the warranty. Yes, we're all about voiding the warranty.
We are working on EM2 Civic, 01 to 05 Civic. He's clutch job. So we need to get this thing pulled apart here real quick. He's got a new clutch, resurfaced flywheel, all the parts ready to go. So Jesse's currently out on the west side, picking up some pew items. So let's get this thing jacked up and torn apart and get going. Got the Civic back together. Clutch job is done. Another quick one, guys. Follow us for more.